लेटेस्ट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट। और उनको ये कैंपस में घुसने को हम नहीं दे रहे, एकदम पूरा बोल दिया, वो कभी भी नहीं आएगा। हम सबका तरफ से ये है कि हम नहीं चाहते कि ऐसा आदमी हमारा, ये तो हमारा कन्या समान है सर। तो ये बात हमको बहुत दुख पहुँचा है, उनको हम ये कैंपस में घुसने नहीं देंगे जो भी होगा। अच्छा, दूसरी बात है कि जस्टिस जो होगा, ऑर्डर क्या मिलेगा, वो सिलचर कैंपस में ये जजमेंट आएगा। तो उसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं, उससे सब कुछ करेंगे। कुछ अगर इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन आए तो मैं आपको आके ही बता सकता हूँ। और आपका जो मेमोरेंडम है उसको मैं जवाब दूंगा, किसी के साथ आलोचना करके मैं जवाब दे सकता हूँ। तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीक वापस आ जाऊँगा।
हम लोग भी कुछ डिमांड है, हम लोग चाहे मेमोरेंडम भी जारी करें, मेमोरेंडम भी हम प्रिपेयर किया गया है, तो बाद में ये सब बता देंगे आपको। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये हम लोग, आपको मालूम है पूरा कार्बी आंगलॉन्ग पूरा रिमोट एरिया है, हम लोग फर्दर स्टडी के लिए हम कहीं भी एडमिशन नहीं मिलते, इसलिए कैसे आंदोलन करके ये यूनिवर्सिटी हम लोग अचीव किया है। पहला तो हम लोग BA पास होने के बाद हम लोग एडमिशन नहीं मिलते, नहीं मिलते, सिलचर नहीं मिलते, डिब्रूगढ़ गुवाहाटी सब नहीं मिलते, क्योंकि वहाँ भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट होते हैं। हम लोग BA पास होने के बाद, ग्रेजुएशन के बाद हम लोग नहीं तो पॉलिटिक्स करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो घर बैठना पड़ता है, खेती करना पड़ता है, हम लोग नौकरी भी नहीं मिलता है। इसीलिए हम लोग फर्दर स्टडी के लिए ये यूनिवर्सिटी चाहिए। अभी क्या हो गया, हम लोग तो अचीव तो किया, लेकिन यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर में जो घटना घटी वो तो अच्छा नहीं लगा। ये इमेज हम लोग अच्छा इमेज बनाना है, क्योंकि अभी फुल फ्लेजेड यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है। हम लोग फुल फ्लेजेड यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए हम लोग अभी तभी चल रहे हैं, डिमांड चल रहा है। हम एफिलिएटिंग पावर होना चाहिए, इधर एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोल का पावर होना चाहिए। ये यूनिवर्सिटी का आंदोलन मैं खुद जारी हूँ, और मैं जब KSS जनरल सेक्रेटरी था तब ये अचीव किया। इसे प्राउडली हम कह सकते हैं ये यूनिवर्सिटी हमारे हैं। यहाँ कोई भी लड़की के ऊपर ऐसा बलात्कार के ये सब घटना नहीं होना चाहिए, लड़की सिक्योर्ड होना चाहिए, ये हम लोग का मांग है। और इसलिए अनिरुद्ध कुमार जी को उसको नौकरी से डिसमिस किया जाए, क्योंकि अगर उसको ट्रांसफ़र किया जाए दूसरा तो ये घटना फिर घटेगा, वो भी अपना बहन होगा, किसी का बहन होगा, किसी का माँ होगा, किसी का कुछ होगा, बीती होगी, तो ये दोबारा ना हो। इसे ये कोई यह टीचिंग करने का मोरल राइट नहीं है, उसको टर्मिनेट किया जाए, एक नंबर है। 2 नंबर हम लोग का डिमांड है कि ICC कमेटी यहाँ आए और विक्टिम से फेस टू फेस बात करे, विक्टिम का जो प्रॉब्लम है, विक्टिम का जो फेस कर रहा है उसको जान ले, और उसका क्यों अनिरुद्ध कुमार जी को जो क्या प्रोसेस करना है, क्या उसका सपोर्ट मिले, उसका टर्मिनेट करने का एविडेंस मिले। हम लोग ये 2 मांग है ना, तो इसलिए चाहते हैं हम लोग अपने साथ हैं, हम लोग आपके साथ रहेंगे, ये यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छा बनाएंगे, हम लोग होना मैंने इमेज तो अच्छा इमेज बनाएंगे। तीन पेड़ पम्मा ये आपके लिए है, ये वाइस चांसलर जी के लिए।
सबसे वाला फुल इंफॉर्मेशन है,
रीड आउट कर सकते हैं हमारे तरफ से, रीड आउट कर लाने की बात।
My name is Sumit Timung. I'm the president of Kabir students. And against Anirudh Kumar, there has been suspension order for 3 months, and after that, again suspension has been expanded
6 months.
to 6 months, and that's okay. We agreed to some points, but our main demand is to dismiss completely from his post, and not to allow in this campus
और others campus
or others campus also. We don't know he may enter to others campus, but in this campus he will not be allowed by the UBC competent authority. That's our demand points. And the other is ICC Internal Complaint Committee should come here in this campus and conduct inquiry process, to conduct a statement, to collect a statement with the victims, because the incident have happened within this institution only. So the inquiry committee, internal complaint committee should come here in this campus. By conducting through virtually is not justified, we believe. So they should come here to conduct face-to-face, heart-to-heart conversation with the victims, poor victims. They have been facing a serious disturbance throughout from the day one itself. They could not focus on their studies. So maybe more students are there. We don't know. But 2 students have come out and they have revealed all incidents to the media. So we came out to the streets and we staged a protest. Today we submit a memorandum. So sir, may I read out the memorandum? Read out loud. A memorandum submission to Pro Vice Chancellor Assam University Difu Campus, Difu, Assam, dated March 26, 2025. Subject: demand for dismissal of Aniruddha Kumar from his post and creation of atmosphere being secured among female students of Assam University Difu Campus, AUDC Difu, Karbi Anglong. Submitted by Karbi Students Association Central Committee, Karbi Nimsoching Thurasong, KNCA, All India Students Association, ISA Hills Committee, Revolutionary Youth Association, Hills Committee. Reference memorandum dated 16/12/2025 by KSA, KNCA, ISA, RY and ACWA. Memorandum dated 11/03/2025 by KSA, KNCA, ISA and ACWA. Subject: demand for dismissal of Aniruddha Kumar from his post and creation of the atmosphere being secured among female students of Assam University Difu Campus, AUDC Difu, Assam. Dear sir, we the members of various students and women organizations are submitting this memorandum to you to express our deep concern regarding the long-standing allegations of sexual harassment and violence against Dr. Aniruddha Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Hindi, AUDC Difu. The gravity of these allegations have created an atmosphere of fear and insecurity among the female students of Assam University Difu Campus, Difu. This specter of accused is constantly hovering in the minds of the victims. As cited in the reference, 2 memorandums have been submitted to you on 2 different dates. It was on December 16, 2024, when we first submitted a memorandum urging you to take action on this matter. Dishearteningly, only a suspension has been issued despite the unwavering seriousness of the case. Even the consequences of the last memorandum submission, that is on 11 March 2025, is also unsatisfactory by virtue of only extension of the suspension is made. Even with the emergence of new facts, no substantial action has been taken. On the contrary, the victims face being mentally harassed and tortured. Our primary demand is the immediate dismissal of Aniruddha Kumar. We want to make it absolutely clear that we will accept nothing less than his dismissal. The allegations against him are not ordinary. Almost all the girls from both semesters of the MA in Hindi program have reported instances of sexual harassment by him in their complaints to the university. This is probably the only case of its kind in the country. Girls have also testified before the university's Internal Complaints Committee, ICC. Despite this matter is being delayed, this case could have been solved early if the committee conducted face-to-face hearing rather than virtual hearing, since it is a psychological matter indeed. We recently, after submitting the first memorandum dated 16 December 2024, heard on a news channel that the delay in addressing this case might be due to some familial connection of the Vice Chancellor of Assam University. We do not wish to delve into this matter, but we want to remind you that society is closely watching your actions, which are undoubtedly questionable. We have in the previous memorandum mentioned that the police investigation has also found Aniruddha Kumar guilty. The police final report dated December 31, 2024 clearly states that after speaking with the witnesses and other students, they found that the accused person is not a good reputed professor, and he has a number of allegations of such type. Report attached. We urge you to take immediate and decisive action by dismissing him as soon as possible with effect from the day receiving this memorandum. Failure to do so will leave us with no choice but to take to the streets in protest to demand justice and safety for the students of Assam University. If the university thinks that delaying the investigation will help protect the accused, then it is gravely mistaken. We will not rest until justice is served. We will not allow those who harass our daughters to escape accountability. We hope you will act swiftly and justly to address this critical issue. Thank you, Pardon. Demands, demand points are: dismiss the accused Aniruddha Kumar from his post, remove the HOD of Hindi department, reconduct the ICC meeting with the victim girls face to face inside AUDC campus. We add representatives from concerned social activities, bring to light all the matters of AUDC regarding sexual harassment cases. Stop supporting the accused. Stop harassing the victims. Stop diverting the case. Thank you, sir. Sincerely yours, Sumit Timu, President KSA Central Committee, Jan Singh Timu, General Secretary KSA Central Committee, Sarbinong Phangchu, President ISA, All India Students Association Hills Committee, Klengdon Phangchu, Secretary ISA Hills Committee, Dimol Timu, President RY Hills Committee, Jibo Kumar Phangchu, Secretary RY Hills Committee. Thank you. Soalan ICC tum mane reporteri soalan
एक तो रिपोर्ट मिला टीम है तो आईसीसी से कुछ फोन आता है तो इसको ऊपर केस लिया गया आप लोग के ऊपर भी कुछ एक्शन लिया जाए। ये डिसीजन 2-3 दिन के बाद निकल जाएगा। ये बात आई इसीलिए हम लोग तुरंत लेना पड़ा, क्योंकि हम लोग सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम लोग अवेयरनेस दे रहा है कि ये अनिरुद्ध कुमार ये इसी टाइप का आदमी जो सोशल एडिक्टेड है, वो तो साइकियाट्री है, उसको दोबारा यहाँ नहीं रखना चाहिए और विक्टिम को उधर से ऐसा क्या बोलते उसको मतलब प्रेशर होना नहीं चाहिए, उसको सिक्योर होना नहीं चाहिए, इसको सिक्योर होना चाहिए विक्टिम को। ऐसा दम देना, ऐसा कुछ एप्रीहेंशन करना, ये सब नहीं चलेगा। अगर जैसे होता रहा तो हम लोग इसे इंडिफिनिट प्रोग्राम ले सकते हैं हम लोग। और हम लोग चाहते
किसने किया आपने बोला
ये तो एक न्यूज़ आया है, अभी नहीं बताएंगे आपको, लेकिन हम लोग सेक्रेट रिसोर्स से हम लोग मिला है, अभी आपको नहीं बताएंगे, टाइम मिले पर हम आपको बताएंगे डिटेल्स। लेकिन हम पूरा आशा है आप हम लोग के साथ कोऑपरेट करें, हम यही चाहते हैं और हम लोग जो आपके साथ कोऑपरेट करेंगे। ये यूनिवर्सिटी हमारा है, हम लोग हैं, हम इसे यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी बनाएंगे।
Whatever you have mentioned in this memorandum is absolutely to the point. So what we want to request is that some of the development exams going on, exams presentations going on, tests and practicals going on. So I will request all of you that this footage should continue because exams
if justice won't be made,
yes,
then
we are always
we can stop at the point. Yes, obviously there is exam. We don't want to disturb any students as well.
so we will
हम लोग इंजीनियर रहना चाहिए, लो मत। हम लोग जानते हैं ये सब, इसलिए हम लोग गेट टू बंद नहीं किया।
और एक
everything should be transparent.
और एक न्यूज़ मिला है कि इंटरनल कंप्लेंट कमेटी से वहाँ से मैसेज भेजने वाला है विक्टिम दोनों को, जो इंक्वायरी कंडक्ट किया है बिटवीन इंटरनल कंप्लेंट कमेटी एंड द विक्टिम्स, वो कंडक्ट करने के बाद और वो इंटरनल कंप्लेंट कमेटी से एक मैसेज भेजा गया कि 1 या 2 दिन के अंदर आप लोगों के खिलाफ या आप लोगों के जो इंक्वायरी के बाद जो रिपोर्ट है वो रिपोर्ट जल्द ही यहाँ भेजने वाला है। और वो रिपोर्ट नहीं मिला हम आप लोग मिला कि नहीं उनको पता नहीं, लेकिन वो जो रिपोर्ट मेरे ख्याल से हमारे ख्याल से वो थ्रेटनिंग है, विक्टिम्स को थ्रेटन कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ खड़ा है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। विक्टिम को थ्रेटन करना, एप्रीहेंशन करना बंद करें, चाहे आईसीसी हो, चाहे बीसी का एडमिन हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, विक्टिम को स्टूडेंट्स को थ्रेटनिंग करना, ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट चालू करना बंद कीजिए, बंद करना।
Sir, and also I would just an inquiry I would like to do. As per the Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act 2013, in every institution, if there is an employee more than 10 individuals, then there is a provision to create internal complaint committee. So I think in Assam University Jifu campus also, I think more than 10 persons are employed here. So why till now measures have been taken to constitute internal complaint committee here? If ICC have been constituted here, then today these girls wouldn't have faced such kind of harassment from the ICC out there in Assam University. And also without visiting here and without making an interaction with the students, they are making a report and harassing them. So we would like to appeal that instantly create ICC here within Assam University Jifu campus, so that in future students from other departments won't face such kind of harassment in the coming days. Because I think more than 10 employees are being employed here within this university campus also. And I believe within this act, this Post Act 2013, there is a provision to create. So we appeal you that to create ICC within this jurisdictions of the university.
Let me give you a little feedback. There was one ICC committee which we had created here, but after some time from headquarters we were informed two things. Number one, in one university, it's a campus, it's just a small campus. In one university there should be one ICC. And the second part is 60% of the members of the ICC board, they should be lady professors. Now here we don't even have one lady professor. We have one
associate.
One associate,
Others all assistant.
other assistant. But till now, 60% lady professors is not possible. And most importantly, we had the committee from headquarters. They told us that we'll function from the headquarters. So
I
that
think, sir,
is.
you should renew this demand.
I'll talk to the VC. I'll note it down on your memorandum. I'll talk to the VC. And this is what I'm hearing. I got to know today only that some threatening has come to the girls at this moment. When the case is sub judice, if anybody, whoever it is, if the threatening comes, that is criminal offense. So that should immediately be reported to the police, our DC Baido, and I need some written anything, any document if the girls have given something.
Because ICC is
Immediately
not the
I'll
body.
take it up.
ICC is not a body to give give judgment.
No, they will give the report.
They will only
They give the
can
report.
only give the report, but they cannot make a judgment upon the
Yes.
victims.
After giving the report, a charge sheet has been issued by the university side and inquiry committee has been formed. Now the inquiry committee has taken over. But I will carry this information, and if you can please provide me some written something by the two ladies that they have been threatened. If they can give the identity, that will be even better. So definitely it's a criminal offense. This is sub judice case, not one case. 5 cases are going on. One is with the university, one is with Women's Commission, State Women's Commission, and as far as I know, 3 with the local court. 3 FIRs have been made. So it's a very big thing. In that condition, if somebody has threatened, anything can happen to you. It has to be taken up as a criminal offense. So please provide me with something so that I can carry it. I'm going after 2 days. Your previous memorandum is already packed. I will take it up very seriously. I'm telling you. But give me something written. And it will be taken up. I'm telling you it will be taken up.
एक्सटेंशन का जो एक्सटेंशन वाला बात जो है ना, वो उनको जो एक्सटेंशन मिला है
6 months.
हाँ, उसका कॉपी हम लोग
कॉपी मिलेगा।
अगर मिल सकते तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। बहुत अच्छा है।
तो लोग के नॉन ऑफ ही आपको अनिरुद्ध कुमार अपन एक्सटेंशन सस्पेंशन ऑर्डर की पिलो लसो सस्पेंशन बंके 6 months दिन सस्पेंशन आपको एक्सटेंशन टू दैट अफ्रांग पीएड लो 90 days पिलो अफ्रांग ko 90 days jud etpen ang ko ke extend to order lo lo abang lo abang ke non headline ase poripo. Whereas disciplinary proceeding against Dr. Aniruddha Kumar, Department of Hindi, Assam University, Difu campus, is pending. An order of suspension is in force. White order number AUDC Assistant Part 1/506/18/42424 dated 18 December 2004. Now thereof, subject to ratification of the Executive Council of the University, the competent authority in exercise of the powers vested upon by Rule 10(6) of CCI Rules 1965, and as amended from time to time, and the powers conferred upon by the acts and status of the university, hereby extends the period of expansion of Dr. Aniruddha Kumar for a further period of 180 days. 180 days means 6 months. In continuation of the earlier suspension order referred to above, and with immediate effect from the date of completion of the period of suspension issued. White order number mentioned in the first paragraph of this order. And whereas during the period of suspension, the said Dr. Aniruddha Kumar will be paid subsistence allowance at rate of 50% remains unchanged. And whereas it is further ordered that during the period that the order shall remain in force, Dr. Aniruddha Kumar shall not leave the headquarters without obtaining the prior permission of the competent authority, that is the Pro Vice Chancellor PVC of AUDC, and shall also submit a certificate to the effect that he has not engaged himself in any other employment such as business, trade, profession, vocation, etc., without which no further subsistence allowance shall be released. This is issued with approval of the Vice Chancellor, Registrar of the to Dr. Aniruddha Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Hindi, Assam University, Difu campus. Copy to Secretary, Higher Education, Government of Assam. Number 2, Principal Secretary, PVC, Assam University, Difu campus, District Commissioner, Karbi Anglong, Superintendent of Police, Karbi Anglong, Councillor, Compliance Cell, National Commission for Women, Finance Officer, Assam University, Head, Department of Hindi, AUDC for Information, Internal Legal Consultant, Assam University, Chairperson, Internal Complaints Committee, Assam University, Personnel File of Concerned Official. Lain lo, ano kita? Dia wala ko piham. Cholo bende.
Ito lang,
Cholo gede. Gitu lang.
Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। PVC host now। We want justice। We want justice। We want justice। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। PVC host now। PVC host now। PVC सलाम करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को बर्खास्त करो। Aniruddha Kumar को बर्खास्त करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar अपना support की भीख दो। Aniruddha Kumar अपना support की भीख दो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को बर्खास्त करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। Aniruddha Kumar को terminate करो। We want justice. We